Good morning, children. प्रीवियस क्लास में हम लोगों ने कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट देखा था। कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट का क्वेश्चंस दिया गया था सॉल्व करने के लिए आपको वर्कशीट 1 एंड 2 रिस्पेक्टिवली। वर्कशीट 1 का क्वेश्चन हमने बताया था, 2 क्वेश्चन भी बताया था। वर्कशीट 2 में है कि when compound interest is being added half yearly as well as quarterly, then how we become able to evaluate the required compound interest. Important result में देखेंगे हम लोग। Then compound interest is added half yearly, then rate is divided by 2 and also time is multiplied by 2. In case of half yearly addition, rate is being divided by 2 and time is being multiplied by 2. Rate में 2 से डिवाइड कर देते हैं और टाइम में 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं in case of half yearly addition. As well as second point is when compound interest is added quarterly, then rate is divided by 4 and time is multiplied by 4. Multiplied by 4. That is, यहाँ लिखिए that is इसमें R tends to R by 2 and T tends to 2. इसमें R tends to R by 4 and T tends to 14. This is an important fact related with compound interest. If compound interest is being added half yearly as well as quarterly, in case of half yearly addition, rate is being divided by 2 and time is being multiplied by 2. As well as for quarterly addition, the rate is being divided by 4 and time is being multiplied by 4. सारे बच्चे इसको नोट करेंगे। सारे बच्चे नोट कर लिए। Have any doubt at any point? If you have any doubt at any point, you must say to me about without. I will solve your problem. Okay, रब करते बेटा. Okay. Percentages. Find the compound interest on rupees 5,000 at 20% per annum for 1 year, 1.5 year, if CI refund half yearly. Question is this: find the compound interest on rupees 5,000 at 20% per annum for 1.5 years. This is equal to 3 by 2 years. Both are same. 3 by 2 years. If compound interest record half yearly, how we become able to relate it? इसको हम देखेंगे. Here R is 20% per annum. This must be equal to, that is R is equal to 20/2. अभी जस्ट हमने बताया था कि इन केस ऑफ हाफ ईयरली एडिशन rate is being divided by 2 and term is being multiplied by 2. This is 10% per half year. Also T is equal to 3/2 times T is equal to 3/2 into 2, यानी 3 half years. Time taken become equal to 3 half years and rate percent become equal to 10% per half year. अब आपका आंसर निकालना बहुत इजी हो गया. For the first half year, we have sample interest is equal to PRT by 100. This is equal to 5,000 into 10 into 1 by 100. This is equal to ₹500. Sample interest for first half year become equal to ₹500 times amount A is equal to P plus sample interest. This is 5,000 plus 500. 5,500. This one become equal to 5,500. फर्स्ट वन इज बीइंग क्लियर. सारे बच्चे यहाँ तक नोट करेंगे. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट अप टू दिस पॉइंट यू मस्ट शेयर टू मी अबाउट योर डाउट. आई विल सॉल्व योर प्रॉब्लम इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट. बेटा कहीं कुछ डाउट्स है अपना डाउट शेयर कीजिए. आपके डाउट्स का वैल्यूएशन मैं करूँगा. अभी जस्ट हैव एनी डाउट. अगर नहीं है तो सारे बच्चे इसको नोट करेंगे. अभी जस्ट फर्स्ट हाफ ईयर के हम लोग निकाला, फिर सेकेंड हाफ ईयर निकालेंगे, फिर थर्ड हाफ ईयर निकालेंगे. नोट कर लिए सारे बच्चे. आराम कर दो बेटा. ओके. for the second half year. For the second half year, we have SIE is equal to PRT by 100, 5,500 into 10 into 1 by 100. This will be equal to rupees 550 is equal to rupees 550 times amount is P plus SI 5,500 plus 550. This is equal to 6,050. This one becomes equal to the amount. This amount is equal to 6,050, and that amount become principal for next half year. Yani for the third half year, 6,050 become principal. At the end of second half year, 6,050 become amount. Amount next year के लिए principal हो जाता है. That's why for the third half year, this 6,050 become principal. How we become able to relate it, इसको हम देखेंगे. इसको जल्दी से सारे बच्चे नोट करें. P first इस से फर्स्ट हाफ ईयर, सेकेंड हाफ ईयर, थर्ड हाफ ईयर, फोर्थ हाफ ईयर का रिलेशन हम लोग करेंगे पार्ट वाइज. यह 3 हाफ ईयरली है, इसलिए थर्ड हाफ ईयर तक का ही रिलेशन करेंगे और अंत में कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट का रिलेशन कर देंगे बाई यूजिंग द फॉर्मूला अमाउंट माइनस प्रिंसिपल. जितना भी अमाउंट आएगा थर्ड हाफ ईयर में उसमें 5,000 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. दैट अमाउंट विल बी वैलिड फॉर कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट इफ कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट रिकॉर्ड हाफ ईयरली. इट इज योर आंसर. अभी देखिए, अभी सेकेंड हाफ ईयर का रिलेशन हुआ है, अभी थर्ड हाफ ईयर में करना है. जल्दी से नोट कर लीजिए बेटा आप लोग. If you have any doubt at any point, you must say to me about your doubt. I will solve your problem. ओके, नोट कर दिया आप लोगों ने. इस रब करते हैं. ओके, for the third half year, we have simple interest equal to PRT by 100. This is equal to 6,050 into 10 into 1 by 100. Both 0 become cancelled. This is equal to 605 times amount is equal to P plus SI 6050 plus 605. 6 is 650. This one is your amount. This one is your final amount. Hence CIE. Hence CIE. यहाँ आंसर लिखेंगे बेटा. Hence compound interest CIE is equal to amount minus principal 6,650 minus 5,000. This must be equal to rupees 1,650. This is the required compound interest in 1.5 year if compound interest required half yearly on 5,000. If your principal is 5,000 and rate percent is 20% per annum and time taken is 1.5 year, then we have the same result. Required compound interest will be equal to 6,000. Have any doubt at any point? सारे बच्चे इसको नोट करेंगे. सारे बच्चे नोट कर लिए. Okay. Have any doubt at any point in the solution of this given question? Have any doubt at any point? No? Okay. After that, I'm just going to dictate one more question. If you find the compound interest on rupees 7,000 at 16% per annum for 6 months, if for 6 months, if compound interest is being added quarterly. In my question, principal is given as rupees 7,000, rate percent is 16% per annum, and time taken is 6 months. At first, all of you have to convert the given months into year. 6 months will be equal to 6 by 12 years, that is 1 by 2 years, and if time taken is 1 by 2 years, then in case of quarterly addition, time is being multiplied by 2. So your required time taken will be equal to 1 by 2 into 4. Time is being multiplied by 4, as well as rate is being divided by 4. So time taken become equal to 1 by 2 into 4, that is 2 quarterly, as well as your rate percent will be 16 by 4, that is 4% per quarter. You have to evaluate the required compound interest in 6 months at the rate of 4% per quarter of rupees 7,000. What will be the required compound interest? You have to just evaluate the answer. You have to just evaluate the following given question. सारे बच्चे के लिए होमवर्क है. होमवर्क में लिखेंगे सारे बच्चे वर्कशीट 2 विथ एग्जाम्पल्स. सारे बच्चे होमवर्क में लिखेंगे वर्कशीट 2 विथ एग्जाम्पल्स. सारे बच्चे क्वेश्चन को नोट किया या नहीं? बी फास्ट, जल्दी नोट कीजिए. नोट कर लिए. योर प्रिंसिपल इज 7,000. रेट परसेंटेज 16% पर एनम. टाइम टेकन इज 6 months. Where compound interest reckoned quarterly, means compound interest is being added quarterly. ओके, मीटिंग ओवर करें. होमवर्क सारे बच्चों को समझ में आई है ना बेटा? ओके.